And if we take a look at Tesla, this one has been baffling me forever. This is just such a mess of a correction. The problem that I have is that this move looks quite bullish. Like it looks like 5 waves up, 3 waves down, 5 waves up. So it could be a zigzag correction, right? But I don't know how to put that in the context of all of this. The count that makes the most sense is this right here, which is 5 up, 3 down, 5 up, and then we get 3 down, then just take off. Or we're in some kind of like a diagonal, ending diagonal move for a larger 5th wave right here. So I don't know. Basically, how I'm handling Tesla right now, and it's definitely, because that earnings report was quite atrocious. But it caught the AI trend. It really, really did. It made some moves with GM that's kind of helped push it up to these levels right here.